Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a CD on Charles Schwab. First, you will need to log into your Charles Schwab account. Once logged in, locate the trade menu, typically found at the top of your screen. From the drop-down menu, simply select CDS to proceed. Next, you will choose the specific account you intend to use for purchasing your certificate of deposit. This ensures your investment is linked to the correct portfolio. Now, you can explore the wide range of certificates of deposit available through Schwab CD One Source. This platform offers CDs from many different banks. You can easily filter these offerings by various maturity dates, ranging from a few months to several years, and sort by annual percentage yield to find the best rates. Clicking on a bank name provides detailed descriptions, including coupon payment frequency and settlement dates, helping you make an informed decision. Once you have identified the certificate of deposit you wish to purchase, click the Buy button. This action will take you to the order entry screen, where many details will be pre-populated for your convenience. You will need to enter the total amount you wish to invest. Note that the minimum investment is often $1,000. You also have the option to choose whether to auto-rollover or reinvest your CD when it reaches its maturity date. Before finalizing, carefully review all the details on the order confirmation screen, ensuring everything is accurate. You may also encounter additional disclosures specific to your selected certificate of deposit, which you should acknowledge. Once you are satisfied, click Place Order to complete your purchase. After placing your order, you can easily check its status at any time by hovering over the trade menu and selecting order status within your Schwab account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.